देखिए, अगर आप पास्ट टेंस को स्टडी कर रहे हैं और पास्ट टेंस में अगर आप स्टोरी टेलिंग स्टडी नहीं कर रहे हैं, आई वुड से इट्स इनकम्प्लीट. टुडे विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट what past tense is and how it is used. You know what, today we have seen some speaker, especially the non-native speakers, while talking, while communicating, they always use present tense and future tense. They never use past tense correctly. So today we'll be talking about how you can use past tense correctly. So first we have got some specific structure of past tense. The first structure that we have is subject V2 plus object. This is from simple past tense. Another structure that we have is was verb plus object. This is also from past tense. The next structure that we have is was verb plus ing plus object. The next structure that we have is from passive voice, where we start the sentence from object and then we use was and were and then V3. The next sentence structure that we have is subject, then had plus object. The next structure that we have is had plus V3 plus object. आप देख सकते हैं सारे के सारे structures, all these structures are from past tense. Used to plus object. The next one that we have is could, V1 plus object. So almost जितने भी structure maximum use होते हैं, I've written all the possible structures here on the board, you can see. Now what we have to do first, to speak anything in past, if it is based on storytelling, then we have to prepare our brain first to speak in past tense. सबसे पहले छोटी छोटी घटनाएं बोलनी है. Whatever happened yesterday, just try to speak in your own words. Yesterday it was Thursday. I didn't do anything special. As usual, I woke up in the morning, I brushed my teeth, got ready to go to college. I went to college late yesterday because I had some work in the morning at my home. So I'm speaking in a very slow manner so that you can exactly understand how to use past tense. See, I did not do anything special yesterday. इसका नेगेटिव मैंने बनाया है यहाँ पर. I didn't do anything special yesterday. Yesterday it was Thursday, it was Wednesday, it was Tuesday. Okay, I went to college late because मुझे घर पर कुछ काम था. I had some work at home. जो चीज़ पास थी उसके लिए आप had लगाते हो. I had some work at home. Okay, मुझे घर पर कुछ काम था. I reached my college at around 12:30. I met my friends there. I talked with them for a while. Then I saw that some of my friends, they were going to library. They were going to library. तो मैं भी उनके साथ लाइब्रेरी चला गया. So I went to library with them. और मैंने देखा कि लाइब्रेरी में सारे स्टूडेंट्स बुक्स पढ़ रहे हैं साइलेंटली. And I noticed and I found all the students were reading books in the library silently. और मैंने एक नोटिस बोर्ड देखा लाइब्रेरी में जिसमें लिखा हुआ था प्लीज कीप क्वाइट because you are in library. I saw a notice board on which something is written to be quiet because we were in the library. So you know, ये पूरी की पूरी सिचुएशन आपने बताई. So I got issued a book and I started reading it. It was the book of Munshi Premchand. You know, I got issued a Hindi book, Hindi novel, and the name of that novel was Kolu Ka Bail. You know, that was the story book written by Munshi Premchand. And during my childhood, I used to read Munshi Premchand's story. I remember some of the stories still. You know, so I read that book for a while, and then I decided to go back. So I asked my friends to go back. Then they said that they wanted to read more. So I just left my friend there and I left the library. I reached my home around 4 o'clock. After reaching my home, I took a cup of coffee and I used my cell phone for a while. Then I took rest for a while, and in the evening yesterday I went to market with my father. So you can see that I just recited, I'm just trying to speak the particular incident that I did yesterday by using varieties of sentences. तो अभी आपको कुछ टारगेट्स मैं यहाँ दे रहा हूँ पास्ट टेंस पर कमांड करने के लिए. सबसे पहला, What did you do yesterday? कल आपने क्या किया? इसको पहले बोल कर देखो अपने शब्दों में. दूसरा टारगेट मैंने आपको दिया, कल शाम में आपने क्या किया? What did you do in the evening yesterday, कल शाम में आपने क्या किया? तीसरा, what did you do in this school yesterday? कल आपने अपनी स्कूल में क्या किया? What did you do in your office yesterday? What did you do in your college yesterday? कुछ भी आ सकता है इसमें। हर छोटी छोटी घटना जो आपने की वो बतानी है, पहले yesterday के बेसिस पर। अब जैसे मान लीजिए रिसेंटली आपने ना अपने दोस्त का वेडिंग अटेंड किया या फिर बर्थडे पार्टी अटेंड की या कोई फंक्शन आप अटेंड करने गए अपने दोस्त के यहाँ पर, तो वो फंक्शन में क्या क्या हुआ? Whatever happened. For example, you attended your friend's sister's wedding. Okay, so it was on 4th of April. Okay, recently the 4th of April that passed away. So you would speak in your own words that on 4th April I attended my friend's sister's wedding, and I was very much excited because my friend, you know, he invited me 2 months ago in that particular wedding, and I was very curious to attend that particular wedding. And I just reached at 3rd of April at his home, and I saw that everybody was busy there. I just met my friend. He was extremely busy. He was making some arrangements, and I met his father, mother. I touched their feet, you know, I took blessing, and then I met my friend's sister, and then I helped my friends to make some arrangements, you know. तो इस तरीके से जो जो आपने किया शादी में, ठीक है, आप अपने दोस्त के यहाँ शादी में जाते हैं, वहाँ पर जो जो अरेंजमेंट्स में आप उनको हेल्प करते हैं. द नेक्स्ट डे ऑन 4th of April इट वॉज अ वेडिंग डे. So from morning to till night you have been very busy, you know, you had been very busy with your friends. So how hectic that day for you, and how did you enjoy with your friend, you know, in haldi, in mehndi, in all the ceremonies that took place in the wedding, you know, how you enjoyed there, you know, the kind of functions that you attended. So everything in your own words you have to speak. It will help you to understand how you can speak anything in past. And if you try to speak every single detail, if you try to put efforts on every single detail and try to make the things effective, then I believe things are going to be great. So I request you all कि आप इस तरीके से इस पैटर्न के साथ में आप वर्क करें, चीज़ों पर फोकस करें, चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश करें, कॉन्सेप्ट्स अपने क्लियर करें, then you will find some changes in your speaking. I personally feel that in the beginning you will face problem. In the beginning you feel like now it's going to be difficult, you cannot express the things well, you're not that much fluent, you're not that much good, but later on you will realize once you speak, you know, you will realize that the things are not that much difficult. So just try to push yourself. Apart from this, I'm giving you some more targets to do. Like आपने एक तो wedding को explain किया कि भाई शादी कैसी थी, कोई birthday party हो मान लीजिए. Okay, you gave a surprise birthday party to your father. You know, मान लीजिए 1st of April या 2nd April को आपके पापा का बर्थडे था, and with your family members you organized a surprise birthday party for your father. So it was just a surprise for your father. He didn't know, he didn't smell even that you were going to give them a surprise birthday party. So the kind of arrangements that you have made, you know, the kind of arrangements that you made quietly and silently, you know, without letting your father know about his birthday celebration. So you can just speak all these things that my father, his birthday falls on 2nd April, and on 1st of April we made all the arrangements, and even we did not let our father know that we are going to give them a huge surprise. So the 1st April I remember I arranged all the you know, things, and I requested my father to go to market to bring something, you know, we just made some arrangement. I requested my mother to send my father to out of the home, so that when in the evening when he returns, till then we will make all the arrangements, and in the night at 12 o'clock we will just give him a big surprise. So we just sent our father out of the home in the evening, and I called the some people, I called the I made some arrangements there, you know, and I called my friends to decorate my father's room, you know, and in the evening when my father returned, so my mother did not allow my father to go into his bedroom. My father was shocked that why he was not allowed. Then he's told that there is some things are there, so you are not supposed to go there. So in the evening, in the night, when we were all watching IPL match, you know, my father was also busy in watching IPL match, and at 12 o'clock, as the time has arrived, my mother requested my father to go into his bedroom, and as he went into his bedroom, he saw that the bedroom was decorated, and all of a sudden the light was on, and he saw that the room was decorated, and in a huge letters the happy birthday was written on the wall, on the bedroom wall, and he was very happy that day. So in this way we surprised my father, you know. तो इस तरीके से like जो भी आपने किया, whatever you did on your father's birthday, and the same thing you can speak अगर आपने अपने घर पर ममा को आपके बर्थडे सरप्राइज दिया हो, या फिर और भी कोई बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन आपने किसी प्रकार के किए हो. सो ये जो स्टोरी टेलिंग है, ये पूरा का पूरा खेल किस पर है? इन सारे के सारे सेंटेंसेस पर है, सारे के सारे. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि सर ठीक है, हमको ये पास्ट के सेंटेंसेस आप हिंदी में पूछोगे, हम इंग्लिश में कर देंगे, लेकिन एक सवाल जो दिमाग में आता है, सर हम बैक टू बैक इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते. जैसे अभी मैंने 2-3 इंसिडेंट बोले, आई वॉज स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंटली, आई डिड नॉट टेक एनी पॉज, आई kept speaking constantly. So the question arises, sir, how we can speak confidently and fluently without getting stuck, without facing any issues, and we can make the sentence back to back. How we can do these things? इसके लिए एक ट्रिक होता है. आप सबसे पहले तो अपने ब्रेन को ट्रेन करो. एक कहावत है, एक बोला जाता है इस तरीके से, ट्रेन योर ब्रेन, ट्रेन योर ब्रेन टू स्पीक फ्लुएंटली. बिना रुके बोलने के लिए अपने ब्रेन को सबसे पहले ट्रेन करो. ट्रेन कैसे किया जाता है ब्रेन को? ब्रेन को ट्रेन करने के लिए सबसे पहले छोटी छोटी घटनाएं जो घटी है. जैसे कल मैं जब वहाँ गया तो मैंने देखा वहाँ कोई नहीं था, तो मुझे लगा पार्टी कैंसिल हो गई होगी, तो मैं वापस आ गया. When I reached there yesterday, I found there was no one. I thought the party might have cancelled. The party would have cancelled, so I returned. मुझे तो बाद में पता चला कि पार्टी कैंसिल नहीं हुई, सब लोग लेट वहाँ पहुँचे. I came to know later that the party would not have cancelled. Everybody reached there late. You know? तो ऐसी छोटी छोटी घटनाएं जो है, छोटे छोटे इंसिडेंट्स जो है, इनिशियली वो हमें बोलने हैं. एंड वंस वी आर एबल टू स्पीक दिस स्मॉल इंसिडेंट्स, यू नो, अगर हम ये छोटी छोटी घटनाएं, छोटे छोटे इंसिडेंट्स, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को बोलने लग जाएंगे, देन डे वुड कम, वी विल बी एबल टू स्पीक एवरीथिंग कॉन्फिडेंट. यू नो, तो इनिशियली हमको थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ेगी. इनिशियली हम लोगों को डिफिकल्टीज आएगी. इनिशियली हम लोग चीज़ों को नहीं समझ पाएंगे. We will be facing some issues there, but later on things will be okay. ऑटोमेटिक चीज़ें जो है अपनी ओके हो जाएंगी और ठीक हो जाएंगी. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप इस बात पर विशेष ध्यान दें कि आप जो है ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो हैं कैसे काम कर रही हैं, हाउ दे आर वर्किंग, हाउ वी आर यूजिंग दैम, यू नो, इनको क्लियर करें. और जब ये आपके क्लियर हो जाएंगे तो ऑटोमेटिक फ्लुएंसी आपको आ जाएगी.